How to turn on flash for calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to find and tap on Audio and Visual. On this page, scroll down to the very bottom to the Visual section and tap on LED Flash for Alerts. Tap the toggle switch for LED Flash for Alerts at the very top to turn it on. You can also enable the Flash in Silent Mode option, which will make the LED flash even when your phone is silenced. Following these steps, you can easily turn on flash for calls on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.